Nope.
No.
Oh, you put a lot in there.
You ain't stopping.
Oh, 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 oh,
That's
oh, 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 oh. Oh, that's nice. Oh, yeah. I don't know if the camera can even see it, but that is nice. It's an Angie. I'm pretty sure it's an Angie. It's been a while, but look at that. You can keep that one.
I can keep it?
Yeah.
No, thank you.
I'm gonna keep looking in here. Hold on.
Add it to the collection right now. Yeah, keep looking at that.
See, I knew this was the spot back here.
You knew that was the spot?
Yeah. It's too much clay. I'm not really feeling anything else in there. Do you see it? I was about to dump this out.
Just about to dump it out. See, you would have been there. Oh,
Oh
right there?
my, it's broken, but it is big. It's a mako. Oh my God. That might be the biggest mako I found.
Really? You gonna keep it?
Yeah.
How much for that?
The root is pretty messed up. I don't know. It's pretty nice though.
$10.
Yeah. Kevin's in there sifting. We got 3 so far. Extinct mako. Angustidens got some nice colors on it. Little hemi. Going pretty good so far. This thing's big. Look at that.
Look like a raccoon. Nothing?
Nope.
Should I go back to the original spot?
Yeah. Nothing. Dang.
Nothing?
Nothing.
You wanna go back?
Yeah.
You don't think this side has anything?
Well, that's all sift piles over there. It's been looked through already. A piece of wood.
I'm gonna come here just for 3 shark teeth.
One more pile.
1 shark man. Did you record at least one?
What?
Finding us finding one?
Yeah, like 3 or 4.
Oh, you recorded on one?
Yep. Get another pile. And I'll sift it.
Alright, take that.
Too much clay. Alright. Alright, well.
Toenail. What's that?
Might be a piece of a mosasaur or crocodile tooth.
I'll keep it.
Let me see it. Yeah, I'll keep it. They're kind of rare in here. Don't tear up the bank too much. We don't want to do that.
What if you find like $1 million shark tooth? We're gonna split, or are you gonna like?
I'm gonna kill it.
That's what I was thinking. I believe I found it, so I should be held responsible for all the owner. If I find a shark tooth, it's $1 million.
I better get it cut. I brought you out here.
You get 10%.
10%, that's it?
Enough for gas money.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to kill this in 2 times speed, honestly.
That's what you gotta do while we don't find anything.
That's what I mean.
Oh, that's good.
That means that there's a big one in there.
If it squirts.
There might be a live alligator in there, actually.
Really?
No.
I hope so.
Stupid.
What do you mean stupid? Don't call me stupid. Don't call me stupid. I'll never come out here looking for shark tooth again.
Okay. I'm sorry. Dang. Okay. Alright, so far, broken one. Another very much broken one. Oh, no more. I didn't really like that one anyway. 2 broken ones. Probably a broken alligator or crocodile or mosasaur tooth. Hemipristis tooth. Angustidens. Got some nice black coloring on it, pretty cool. The fish like jawbone or tooth, or I don't know, something like that. And then this big old extinct mako right here. This is the best one so far. And he's still sifting. It's been about an hour or so. We're getting chewed up out here. We didn't bring any bug spray. Let me look in there too. Let me look this time. Hold on, sift it more. All right. Yeah, no.
Nothing. Gotta look thoroughly.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't.
I'll see how it is.
Okay. There's a big old fish right there. That's crazy. I've never actually seen a fish that big in here.
Let's go that way.
That way? No. Let's go this way. Oh, little baby one. It's a really tiny one. Okay, that might be one right there. Yes, it is. Another very tiny one. Oh, another pretty small one right there. That's 3 so far. Another one. Oh, that's pretty broken. He's finding these really tiny ones in there. Come on, you gotta find another one. Looking good so far. Up here and then back that way, but there's a little shortcut we can take to get there quicker. I'm gonna have to check the satellite map. No, just looking. No shovel, no sifter. Yeah.
This water dirty.
That's good.
I don't know, I see a fence right there, you see?
Yes, it's right there.
Oh, really?
Yes. Alright, well, we got our teeth out. Not sure if we're gonna be done today or what. Pretty nice angustidens right here. It's gonna dry up nice, got some nice color on it. Hemi. This mako right here is really, really big. Crazy. This is our first time going up here in a while. His first time ever going there. Or doing this at all actually. But yeah. Not bad. Not bad. I don't see it now. I think we're fine. I don't think it was anything.
This water's like soapy like that.
Why is it weird like that? I actually don't know.
I'm pretty sure it's pee.
But look, hold on, I lost it. Wait a minute. I lost it. Hold on. Oh, there it is. There it is.
The drainage water.
There it is. There it is. There it is right there.
Just that drainage water, you know?
It's a weird color for this creek. You don't usually see them like that. Yeah, it's cool. There's another extremely tiny one right there. I'm gonna keep that just so that we can say we found more, you know?
Before or right now?
That's the real find right there.
Brian, pour one out for the day at home. You want a flashlight?
No.
Another one. It's a big one.
We just keep getting broken ones.
Mm.
It's better than nothing though. I mean, I think it is better than nothing. I don't know.
What is it? What?
Oh my god, I just picked up like a leech or something with my hand.
Actually?
I don't think it was a leech, I think it was a worm. Oh my god. I got that on video though. Oh my god. I picked it up. Ew.
Oh, I see it, I see it.
Small one right there. I don't know what it is today. I'm only seeing small ones though. Well, now I'm only seeing small ones. Sucks. Oh. This is that newer layer up here.
Hmm?
This is the newer layer up here.
What about?
What?
Which one has the megalodon?
I forget what it's called. Let's go back. Do you need water?
That's actually a tiny one right now, actually.
Let me see. Yeah.
You want to keep it?
Yeah, just for the count, yeah.
For the count?
Okay. Do you see it? I see it.
See what? Big one?
Yeah. Oh, it's okay.
Medium?
Yeah. You see it? I see it. Do you see it? I see it. Oh my god, it's not even, bro.
How do you think that was one?
Look at it. Look at how it was in there. Look.
I would have thought. No, I wouldn't.
Oh my god.
Oh, you man now. That's just like volcanic exhaust.
That's a rock.
That's a rock. Already here. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? You see that? There's a fish.
Are you ready to go?
I guess. I guess so. Guess so.
So how many did you count?
I told you about 16.
16?
About 16.
We got 16 teeth today.
16 teeth.
How many good ones?
Like 3, 4.
3 or 4?
3 or 4. 3 or
Okay.
4.
Okay. Well, it's better than the ones that you just find on the beach, you know?
Yeah.
There's a lot of work. We found some of them. You were just counting shark teeth, right?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure there's a gas station up here.
Gas station.
I might be really stupid though. I'm going like 10 under.
So you can find them at the beach too?
Yeah.
But it's like not.